The days have not gotten any easier for Linda Chalfant. Her 15-year-old daughter, Alexis Borowiak, is still missing.
Honestly, I think it gets a little bit harder because each day is more that she's gone and more of a chance that something really bad has happened.
The Brooklyn teenager went into the backyard November 8th to tie the family dog outside. She hasn't been seen since. Brooklyn police tell me she may have run away after telling friends of a plan. Her mother believes she may have left with someone, but
I honestly wholeheartedly feel that someone is holding her because if not, she would be home.
family, friends, and even strangers have been passing out flyers and looking for Alexi since she disappeared. Her family is now drawing support from Michelle Knight, one of the women held captive for more than a decade by Ariel Castro. In fact, Linda explained to me that Michelle is bringing Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow.
Michelle has such a big heart, and she is so kind and so sweet. She genuinely cares to find my daughter.
We have learned that a private investigator is now donating her time to help in this case. And we've also discovered that Crime Stoppers is now offering a reward for information about the high school sophomore. Tonight, on the eve of Thanksgiving, a mother is thankful for the support of the community, but heartbroken that her child has vanished.
Just come home, please, God, come home.